Hi, and welcome to Kilimanjaro Sunrise. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make your feet as comfortable as possible when climbing Kilimanjaro. It is important to take good care of your feet. If you fail to do so, hiking each day can become unbearable. First of all, let's start with socks. Against your skin, you should wear a good liner. They can be made of silk, nylon, or a combination of material. A good fit is important. They should not get wrinkled or push down toward your toes. This can cause blisters. Smartwool or Injinji makes good liners. The Injinji or toe socks can take some getting used to. Over the liner, you can start with the light hiker lower on the mountain, such as a Thorlo sock, and move to a taller sock by brands like Darn Tough as it gets colder. To sleep in and for summit night, a good heavy sock made with Merino Wool or similar is recommended. For footwear, a light hiker can be worn for most of the mountain, like these La Sportiva or Adidas Axe 4s. For summit night, or when it's cold or wet, we suggest a taller mid-hiker like these Mammut or Solomons, with Gore-Tex, which is warm and waterproof. And finally, to wear around camp, we highly recommend camp slippers. Or you can wear your light hikers or flip-flops. Something we recommend, but is not required, is to replace the insoles with better ones like these from Superfeet. Whatever combination of shoe and sock works for you, put them through rigorous testing before heading to Kilimanjaro. They have to be broken in to avoid sore feet. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.